The JV-P2L1 Draco addressable panel, it is intended for small and medium-sized installations. The panel comes with a loop expandable 2.2 with a total capacity for 100 mixed devices. It has two outputs of 24 volts and 2 amperes each, which avoids the need to install an external power supply. It also has two tension-free outputs, one for reporting faults and one for reporting alarms. In the main cabinet, it can fit two batteries up to 12 amperes. The panel is equipped with an USB port to be able to download and load schedules, save event history, change languages, and wallpapers. The Draco panel is fully programmable from the panel itself, without the need for external software. External software is also available in case of need. In the Draco panel cabin, there are different holes to introduce a pipe up to 20 mm. The large cabin allows you to access to the different terminal blocks to do their connection. It is available, if requested by the customer, to incorporate a printer cabin, so you can print the event history. In case it is necessary, there is also an extra cabin with more capacity to house two batteries of 17 amperes. This image shows the device's connection in loop or type A. The bus connection on the devices has no polarity, so this makes it easier to install and prevents connection failures. The loop sirens require 24 external power supply. This power will be provided from the panel. It is recommended to use a 2x1.5 unshield twisted pair cable and a length up to 2 kilometers. This image shows a connection of the devices in branch or type B. This type of connection is designed to adapt all installations made with conventional systems without return to the panel. Making a branch or type V connection will only allow a maximum of 32 devices that can be connected for each of the outputs, with a total of 128 devices. As in the previous slide, the bus on the devices have no polarity, so this helps the work when installing and prevents connection failures. The loop sirens require 24 volts external power supply. This power is provided from the panel. It is recommended to use a 2x1.5 unshield twisted pair cable with a length up to 2 kilometers. At the top of this image, you can see the expansion card of Loop 2. At the bottom, you can see the terminal blocks where the wiring will be connected. From the left to right, you can see two voltage-free relays to report failure and breakdown. Then, there's two outputs of 24 volts and 2 amperes each for powering the sirens and modules of the loop. Next to it, we will have the terminal to connect the devices of Loop 1, and on the right side, the terminal for the devices of Loop 2. The Draco panel has a large 7-inch LCD display where you can insert the company logo. Navigation is simple and intuitive, which allows you to perform a complete programming from the panel without the need of a PC. However, we have software for programming in web environment, which can be done a complete programming and then load into the panel using a USB device. The panel has step-by-step methods to do the first installation or maintenance of the devices. If you want to watch more videos, do not hesitate to visit our YouTube channel or visit our website www.jadebird.eu.com.